we have the case functionality to cover. So I'll just go back into our index of web. And the case function allows you to set conditions for if the evaluated field is true or false, with room for like an elif at the end if none of the conditions were met with the true function. But we'll just demo, basically grab a field here of statuses, and I would want another field to say like, well, what are these status codes for our HTTP status codes on our web server? We could just simply do an evaluation with the case function. So I'll create a new field called status info and then apply case to it. And I'm going to set the fields that I want to have descriptions. So I know status 200 was in there. I'm going to say that means okay. And then I can select another value, status of, and these got to be, equals. Let's pick 500, and that will be error. And then I'll separate one more status out. I'll do 404, which is, we all know is not found. If you wanted to do all the other function at the end, you could just do a new separated value and then true, open close parentheses. But for these, I'll just leave. I'm going to dedupe them, and then I will table out my new field of status info. And let's also pick another field to work with. Obviously, we want the original status to see what the info comes back with. And then let's just pick what web server it was on. So we can just add the field of host in there and see what comes back. Yeah, so there you go. All of your statuses match up, and that is the case function with eval.